Miniature cooking videos are exploding across YouTube Shorts, and they're getting millions of views every single day. What's even more exciting is that small channels with almost no subscribers are using this trend to grow incredibly fast. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or editing skills. With the help of AI, you can create these realistic tiny cooking videos in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact workflow from start to finish, so you can start making your own viral miniature cooking content today. The first step is to open the video description and copy the master prompt I've provided there. This prompt is specially crafted to generate highly realistic miniature cooking videos with AI, so make sure you copy the complete version before moving to the next step. Now open Google Flow AI and switch over to video mode. Choose the aspect ratio that fits your platform, then select the Omni Flash model. After that, set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is configured, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Before generating the video, scroll to the top of the prompt where you'll see the section for the food item. This is the only part you need to change. Simply replace it with the food you want your miniature chef to prepare. For this demonstration, let's use pizza. Type pizza in the food section, then click Generate. Google Flow AI will now process your prompt, so give it a little time while it creates the animation. While it's generating, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you're facing with YouTube automation right now? I read the comments regularly, and I'll reply with the best solution as quickly as I can. Also, if you're enjoying practical AI tutorials like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. After a short wait, your first miniature cooking video will be ready. That's all it takes. From here, you can keep using the exact same prompt and simply swap the food item to create completely new videos in minutes. For example, paste the prompt again, replace the food with burrito, and click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll have another unique miniature cooking animation without changing anything else. You can repeat this process over and over, using different foods like chimichanga, burgers, sushi, tacos, pasta, desserts, or anything else you can imagine. Each new food gives you another fresh miniature cooking video, making it easy to build a consistent stream of engaging shorts content with very little effort. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.